È bella, eh?
I could stay here all day, dazzling Maria with my fish chat. But I have to go back to shore to cook before the sun goes down.
I had the most amazing day here on the island of Procida. I met some unique and incredible women, and I've tasted some fantastic ingredients. Now, talking about ingredients, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful plato pasta with this beautiful lemon pesto and prawns, which is fantastic. I can hear children playing football. And it really reminds me of being a kid, and I absolutely love it. Okay, I'm choosing troffie pasta. You could use fusilli if you want, but see all these little twists. What I wanted to happen for the pesto to cling onto the pasta. This pasta will take about 12 minutes. And now this beautiful lemon pesto. Remember, guys, pesto is not a sauce. Pesto is a dressing. So don't heat it up, because as soon as you're gonna heat it up, the mint leaf, or if you make it with basil, is gonna go dark, you're gonna lose the freshness. So you treat it as a dressing. I'm gonna put a touch of oil, just a touch, not too much. So mix everything together. Now, this dish is the ultimate minimum effort, maximum satisfaction. You got the pasta, you got the pesto, job done.
Next, some prawns caught right here in the Gulf of Naples.
This one, they pink in color, kind of a very bright pink. Let's check if the oil is hot. Yes, it is. So, see, can you hear the sizzling? Remember not to overcook prawns. It's one thing that people, they always do. They overcook it and they get rubbery, they get chewy. You really want to cook them for about a couple of minutes, no more than that. I'm gonna put a little bit of smoked paprika. You can use chili powder if you want. In there, I'm also gonna put a bit of honey, runny honey. Oh, look at that. With a couple of pinches of salt. One side of the prawns is done. Now, what I want you to do, come here and look how sexy the color is. Come, look at that. That's what you want. Okay, so, prawns are ready. Relax, piano piano, it's only a plate of pasta. Perfect, perfect. Okay, how do we dress the pasta? With the pesto? Very simple. You pick up the pasta, like this. A little bit of water there is good, so don't worry. This goes straight into the bowl with my pesto. And now the only thing you have to do very gently, you mix everything together. So you coat the pasta into the pesto. So I'm happy with this. An amazing color. There it is. Okay, now I'm gonna get all these beautiful prawns. Remember, the prawns are slightly spicy with the sweetness of the honey. Now, the last touch, I'm gonna grate a little bit of lemon zest, because we found out that lemon clearly is good for any man, so the more lemon, the better. A little bit of the sauce there. Look at that. The smell of the sea, the freshness of the prawns, the freshness of the pesto. This is so beautiful.
And now for the finishing touches on Vittoria's Procidana cake.
A little touch of icing sugar and a little lemon zest on top.
There we have it. Troffie pasta with lemon pesto and prawns. And Mamma Vittoria's Procidana. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
The only thing that I want to do now, I'm gonna leave you here. I'm gonna play football with the boys. Vado.
I've spent just 24 hours here on Procida, but I have learned from the women here that size does matter, because the smallest of islands can pack a powerful punch.
Yes!